Hello traders, so what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. Hopefully everybody's doing well this week. I know we have a lot of fundamental news. This is why the markets are a little bit choppy sometimes. Sometimes the movements are going to get very strong. This is because of the smart money traders. They are using the liquidity within the market currently because of so many people don't know how to trade right now because you got the news. So you always have, when you have so many news, you have so many small hedge funds, you have retail traders, everybody's trying to go with that one direction that they think that the market will go. And this is why the bigger institutions, they have another game to play. So they are going to use this uncertainty in the market, and they're going to use it in order for them to bank even more profit. Okay, so this is why right now it is a little bit tricky to trade also for me right now. This week is not good, to be honest, so I've lost also some trades. But yeah, this is part of this business. So you have sometimes these weeks. So for example, you can right now decide if you even would like to continue this week to trade, or you are going to say, okay, we're going to do just next week the normal job and that's it. Okay, so next week full power in trading and that's it. And try to not focus that much this week, or you're going to go into your backtesting procedure and you're going to backtest a lot. Okay, so you have a lot of variations to do also if you decide to not trade. Okay guys, but still I'm here to give you some new analysis. I'm going to cover up some pairs for you. Basically the same like we did over here, plus NZDUSD, because on NZDUSD there was a news release and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. Okay, then I would say just quick check over here on my link tree to join my public Telegram channel, my inner circle, mentorship, automated copy paste system, my trusted broker, and here you get the inner circle result plus your services information and social media down below. Yeah, the EURUSD. Yeah, look at this. The price is currently moving extremely to the upside. We have over here several reasons for that. I'm going to cover it up for you right now. So we got the weekly zone, which is this one, and I told you I'm still bullish on the EURUSD, but the thing is right now on the lower time frames it looks a little bit different. Okay, so you got this thing over here. Okay, the market, as you can see, is reacting to this level again, but still it created these lower lows and lower highs, so the market is still moving more to the downside. On the daily time frame, the market is also still bearish. This is why here during the news there was a pretty nice trade to get here at this area, and this is basically what it was. So it was the only possibility, the real good possibility for the EURUSD to go to the downside. The other things were a little bit unpredictable. Also me, I was looking to short within this range over here because here was something, but as you can see the market is not reacting to this level. This is why currently I'm looking to short the EURUSD from this level over here. So this is going to be the next thing where I am interested to go for a short from the EURUSD, because it is kind of difficult right now to get involved in any trades. The 1 hour, look at this, that was also an idea. The 1 hour to short it from here, from this supply zone. Basically it is currently just smashing through it, so it looks like that probably we will get some correction. Something like this is definitely possible, and then this. So I'm more than likely right now we're interested in looking to short it from there. That's what I'm currently looking for. So from my point of view, the EURUSD is bearish on the lower time frame, so there's absolutely nothing that I need to look for to buy it. Only buy from the lows, that's definitely a possibility, but shorting it right now is definitely the best option. Okay, so this is my option right now to look for the price to go from here to the downside. So this level over here is not interesting for me. Only the top level, oh sorry, wrong instrument. Only the top level is where I'm looking to go for a short right now. Okay, then continue with the USDJPY. Well, this pair is definitely bearish. We can spot this whole thing over here from the weekly time frame. We're still in this bearish range. The market went up higher, giving you higher highs and higher lows, but on the daily time frame it reacted pretty nicely to this area of supply. Price dropped to the downside, lower lows, lower highs currently, and from my point of view, this market completely switched right now from a bullish to a bearish market. And I was also looking to short it over here, but I missed that entry. The market went crazy to the downside. But yeah, these things happened. And right now, what we can expect is basically the market to go down lower. That's one option. Or the second option is probably the market will come up, grabbing even more liquidity from the area located above, because also here is enough liquidity for a potential bearish continuation. But the best thing is definitely if it will continue from here to move lower. Yeah, EURGBP, finally this market is at our demand zone from a daily. So I told you that I was super bearish on the EURGBP a very long time. But it is bullish. So this thing from my point of view is bullish. So you got this one and this one. I mean, of course, the market easily could go down lower, breaking this thing over here. But more than likely, it looks like we're preparing for movements like this. It's not clear, of course, it's not clear. But right now, definitely, I wanted to see it to go down lower till this level. And right now, look at this, guys. We finally tapped into the level. And from here, you can look right now for a nice bullish movements from this area. Let's see if it will come back to it to test it one more time, and then I'm interested in looking for a long. Otherwise, you can look again for a short trade from this level over here. Okay, so definitely still bearish structure. So the price could potentially move like this, that it will give us here the movement again wrong, sorry guys, again move up to this level and then from here lower. That's definitely possible for the EURGBP. GBPUSD. Now this thing is still a little bit difficult to handle it. Normally I only trade GBPUSD because it's the my favorite pair. Right now it's not that easy. We are definitely in a bullish scenario, so from a higher time frame perspective, and we can expect the price to move up higher. Unfortunately, we failed breaking it over here, so this is why we also got a chance to break lower. So everything what the market will do right now in the next couple of weeks will be super interesting. But we are going to follow the small movements, and on the lower time frames this thing is still bearish, and that doesn't mean right now that we cannot trade it long, because the range is this one over here and it could bring the price even higher. So we could easily see the market moving up higher. We got here a nice supply area where the price will potentially go up, and this is why I'm looking also to get a trade, where I'm looking to get a trade involved. So kind of this area over here. And as you can see, the market is currently building liquidity to the upside, giving us these trend lines, and the market will then at some point will push up crazy. And I'm looking right now for a buying opportunity, to be honest, for the GBPUSD. And you got here this area. Let's see how they will react to it. But definitely bullish scenarios are going to happen, probably. Okay, of course we could go down lower, but from my point of view it looks like we shifted right now from a bearish to a bullish on the 4 hours, and we can expect the market to go up higher, because as you can see the market failed here to go lower, and it gave us, instead of pushing lower, it gave us a push to the upside and grabbed the liquidity from these levels. And right now it reacted already nicely to the upside, come back, and probably right now we will see very soon the push up. EURGBPY, yeah, this thing is currently located over here, so we are about to move higher from my point of view. So we are on the weekly low. That's super nice. The weekly candle is filled in. Weekly level of demand that we are located here, and the price right now just needs to give us some confirmations, because it is not clear. So basically it is still bearish, but the price could still shift right now, right? It could still shift and give us movements to the upside. NZDUSD. NZDUSD, this thing is going to be super bullish the next couple of weeks, because fundamentally it is in a very good state. That's the bullish range. The market, the weekly cannot read that much of information. The daily looks kind of super bearish because we also broke kind of the structure over here. But still, I expect it to go very bullish very soon. And the thing is, I would still like to see the market going lower to tap in some lower levels before we are going to anticipate these big movements to the upside. And you got here in the 1 hour, you got here a pretty nice level of demand on the 4 hours. And this is what I'm looking for right now. Another short movement before afterwards we're going to go up higher, clearing the liquidity that is located around that area over here. And then we're going to use it probably for something like this, okay? And the price will then move up higher and higher and higher. That's how I see NZDUSD. So on NZDUSD, I definitely recommend to look for buying opportunities and instead of looking for some shorting opportunities. Yeah, guys, that's basically it for today's video. Very quick, just a few explanations on the pairs over here. Let's see how we can get involved with it over in it. I'm going to give you very soon again some updates, and yeah, see you then guys in the new video. Bye bye.